Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers. Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel, and how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
Como assim, galera?
So much for losing anonymously.
We're the Order of the Pig.
Really?
Is it meant to tie us to Ruben, or are you making fun of me?
Okay, Order of the Pig. You guys are in booth 5.
Coitado. Bora lá. E galera, no último vídeo, desculpa eu falar as outras palavras. Mas isso aí só grava 14 minutos, sei lá o que. Estamos. Ah, tá ali. Ai! Ai! Deixa eu entrar, né?
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
Relax.
What are you worried about? We've got this.
Who are we kidding? We've got nothing.
We've got a mascot.
We should probably stop staring at them.
Look, it's the Order of the Losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking. There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you.
No.
EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig. I'm saying he's food.
Shut up.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I don't know. Maybe. Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do. You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys.
Hey, Petra.
How's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a problem.
You help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me. None of us know where to find you. Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. If you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, make this about how cool our builds are?
May the best team win.
Careful what you wish for.
We'll see about that.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet in person Gabriel the Warrior.
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the Redstone Wrap.
Materials, no leaving the designated crafting areas for any reason. And please.
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine. This year, the Order of the Pig can't lose.
Ordem do porco.
Let's do it.
Vamos lá.
Building starts.
A construção começa agora. Bora, gente.
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser. I'm so scared.
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours. Of truth.
Here goes nothing. This looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
I gotta admit, this Enderman is sweet. Good call, Jesse.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man. What? No way. It's just a bunch of dyed wool. Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
Who was aiding that
The
punk?
lava's getting closer.
It ruined the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
We've got to get Ruben.
Oof.
We're right behind you.
Meu, assim. Meu, que culpa daquele cara burro, galera.
I don't see him anywhere, Ruben.
The sun's going down. We gotta find him fast.
He could have gone anywhere, and this part of the woods is huge.
We stand a better chance of finding him if we split up.
If either of you get lost, just use the lights from Endercon to make your way back to town. Got it?
Got it.
Pode deixar. Caraca, galera. Bora.
Ruben, where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me.
Quero me ouvir. Ali, galera. Tá na área. Tá na área, né, Ruben? Isso, do lado. Tá aí. Está aí. Ruben! Nada. Como que ele fez esse negócio?
Pig tracks.
Porco. Peraí. Você tá apontando pro lugar certo? Eu não sei agora. Como que eu vou pra lá? Olha, tem fumaça ali.
He must have run by here.
Caraca, fogo! Fogo! Ruben! E dali? Ruben! Run. Por quê? E Ruben? Cadê o Ruben? Sério, será que ele queimou? Certo, meu pai.
Ruben, are you in there?
Pegado.
Stupid pigs.
Todos idiotas. Duas patinhas. Vai.